Right. You mentioned asking questions. Is that something that you've leveraged either now or in the past, is like customer surveys or polls, that kind of thing, just to get a feel for, well, just to stay up to date on like what your audience wants
Yeah.
and likes?
Hmm. I have a strong point like to argue about because with surveys, everyone is going to reply however you word it. With surveys, they
Hmm.
don't really show you if they're going to buy. That's why the best way to really see if there is demand for a product or not is to ask the person to buy that product. That's why I mean there is this great company called Digital Marketer with Ryan Dice. So what they did when they were testing demand, they were launching funnels with just the product description. And when the person actually clicked the buy button, the system said, sorry, the product is not yet available, but thank you for your interest and all that stuff. And
Cool.
that was a very good way to measure the demand. I think it was even just after they entered the credit card. The credit card wasn't charged, but when the person received a notification like this product is not yet available, but thank you for your interest, you are on the wait list, and we are going to contact you when as soon as it is available. And this way, we actually measured if people were willing to buy, not just tell them that they want to buy or tell them what they want to hear from them. With surveys, it's not 100%. And if you do in-person surveys, or if you ask your friends, come on, like the friends are only going to say like, yes, this is an awesome product, I would definitely buy it, and then nobody buys. Like when you buy the 10,000 units, and they are like laying in your garage somewhere, and then nobody, not even your friends, but told you that they're going to buys. This is like the most common story, the nightmare of e-commerce seller who is just starting. Like, yeah, I bought this product from China, 10,000 units. Now I know what to gift to everyone for Christmas, Hanukkah. I mean, like Thanksgiving, like, and every holiday across the whole year.
Uh, uh, I don't know the exact saying, but basically, it's the saying is in business, take advice from friends with a grain of salt. I think that
Mhm.
applies a lot here. But I really
Yes,
like I like that tactic of basically arranging it so that a person clicks a button if they're interested, and obviously they don't buy it because it's not available yet. And you let them know when it is going to be available, but you can automatically put them on a waiting list. So when it is available, this customer's already shown interest. And when you send your promotional material, your emails out or whatever, the chance of them actually taking action is pretty high because they already took action. It just wasn't available. And you can go ahead and start measuring results on your marketing campaign because everything is conversion and open rates and sales. So you arrange your email marketing. You see how many people open the email. Do you see how many people actually click the link? And then you see how many people would have purchased it. You get a conversion rate, and you can actually start getting feedback on that. In
yeah.
addition to building a list of people who will be the most likely to buy it once this comes out. That's a great tactic. What's up, everyone? What you just watched was a clip from one of the episodes of the Side Hustler Society podcast. So, if you're interested in this clip, I encourage you to check out the full episode linked in the description and also on the end screen right now. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that bell notification if you want to be notified when the show comes out. And thumbs up on the video greatly helps. Appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next video.